Can you hear my heartbeat calling? Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight. Throwing caution to the wind, I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take me home tonight.
Yo, what's up guys? So I'm back with another video, and let me know if you guys like the intro. It took me a while to make the intro. I have like 8 minutes of footage I have to edit, but today I have the Miata with me, as you can see. I just give it a quick little wash before the meet. So today it's going, I told you, it's gonna be a meet, and this is supposed to be a meet and then races. I don't know if I'm gonna be racing tonight since I'm having some problem with the boost controller. But if I get it figured out on my way there, definitely try and race. But yeah, so it's gonna be a couple of us going tonight, and it should be fun. So if you guys wanna watch, just come along with the ride for the ride down. But I have to go home and put some clean the wheels a little bit better, and then put some Armor All around, and then spray some, I think Armor, yeah, I use Armor and make them shiny, the whole wheels, and they actually last like for a whole month shiny, because I don't really like how they look matte black. So I'm gonna do that as soon as I get home. And so the new tires I got Federal RSRs, and they look so good on the Miata. They're 205/50, they're not that big. But they look really good. It'll look way better once I spray with Armor and clean them up a little bit more. So I'm gonna do that as soon as I get home. And well, probably next video you're gonna see me spraying Armor All, and then heading on to the meet. Still, we have a couple hours at 7, I believe, or 9. It's 2:27, so we still have some time. So stay tuned. Yeah, you guys, we're at the meet right here. It's fucking packed. You can see. I literally just did a fucking two-step on my car like 5 times in front of a cop without knowing. Luckily, he just kept going. There's too many people here. I don't know why people are running, but fuck it. Shit, something happened. Let's see what happened. Everyone's heading out. We're filling in another location. Stop bidding somewhere else. So people are getting pulled over the roads over there. Everyone's just fucking revving to the limit. This guy's fucking crazy. It's like 20 degrees out here. It's fucking crazy. But let's see how this goes. It's just kind of obvious that this guy wants to race for money. But we met up in another place. Cops kicked them all out. So we're now here. See what's going to happen. And my car is fucking messing up, so I don't think I'm going to be racing tonight either, or at least having fun, because I'm pushing like 5 pounds. I need a new fucking boost controller, so that's it. So let's see what happens next. Yo, what's up guys? So what happened to me? Nothing really happened. It was really cold and people started leaving. As soon as we got to the meet, to the spot that you guys saw the last clip, people started leaving. And right before I came home, I think this guy was gonna race with his Evo. It was 2 Evos, and I know he wanted to race. And then I know later at night, like at 12, I left around 10:30. and like a 12. The guy who tuned my brother's car, he's a tuner. He brought out his Evo, and actually he ended up blowing up his transmission because he was racing in 1G. But that's really what happened tonight. So it was really nothing fun. But that's a little taste of how it's Chicago. And then all those races, the meet, they're located in Woodfield Mall. It's called Streets of Woodfield. And that's where everyone just go to, meet up and enjoy, have some fun. So that's it for this video, guys. It's kind of short. The only good part, in my opinion, is the intro. But it was super windy and super cold. It was really hard to record. But anyways, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.